We guide you through how to install Outlook Classic on Windows 11 so you can switch back from new Outlook experience. First thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Then, sign in with your Microsoft account. From there, search for Outlook for Windows and download the installer for the classic version included with Microsoft 365 or Office. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on screen instructions to finish the setup. After installation, launch Outlook Classic from the Start menu and sign in with your email account. If you already have the new Outlook installed, you can switch back by opening Outlook and turning off the new Outlook toggled at the top. Once done, Outlook Classic will load, giving you the familiar layout, advanced features, and full desktop experience on Windows 11.